YouTube is a place on the mobile internet that lets you watch videos on your phone. It's a bit like watching TV, except you can choose whatever videos you want to watch and when to watch them. YouTube has many different videos you can watch, like movies, music videos, sports, and others. There are also videos that teach you how to do things, like how to cook a new recipe, fix a tire on a bicycle, or even learn to do something on your phone. YouTube is a video sharing website, which means it's a place on the internet where people can put videos for others to watch. If you want to use YouTube to watch a video on your phone, YouTube will search through the videos it has to find the one you want. If you want to use YouTube to watch a video on your phone, find the YouTube icon and tap it. To look for a video, tap the search icon at the top of the screen. Type in a few words to describe the video you are looking for. If you don't want to type, tap the microphone icon on the right. Say the words loudly, clearly, and slowly. A list of videos will appear. Tap the one you want to watch. The image that appears at the top of your screen is the video. It will start playing immediately. You can tap it to make it pause, and then tap it to make it play again. The number below the video tells you how many times it's been watched on YouTube, so you can tell how popular it is. Some videos have been watched millions of times. You can share whether you like or dislike the video by tapping the thumb icons. If you scroll down, you will also see links to other similar videos you can play. And if you scroll right down to the very bottom, you will see a comments box where you can add your thoughts about the video and read what others thought of it. YouTube has many great videos, but some are not so great. If you see one you think is bad or offensive, tap the back button twice. This will take you out of YouTube. To get back in, tap on the YouTube icon again and type different words in the search box. If you use YouTube on your phone, you will need to buy data from your mobile network provider. Certain activities on the internet use different amounts of data, but watching videos uses the most, so can be very expensive. The mobile internet provides endless entertainment and education. Why don't you try it today?